Since June, there's a very bad drought because we didn't get enough rain. The long rain, the short rain, we didn't get enough. So we have been losing a lot of animals, and elephants have been dying a lot. So this is one of the ones they have been dying because of the drought.
The Kenyan economy depends entirely, in a big percentage, on wildlife tourism. So when we have visitors coming to the country, our main backbone economically is basically wildlife tourism. So when the numbers depreciate, obviously it becomes the concern of every Kenyan, the concern of every conservation party, and even the leadership.
Ikiendelea hivi mimi naonekana kama ng'ombe, ndevu, mnyama wote, sababu hata hii ngunusa hii imekaa dogo. Hata hiyo zebra hiyo inaelekea isha kama saa hii ng'ombe. Ndevu, hata ndevu saa akati ukopate mashanani ni mingi, lakini saa hii haonekani. Sijui kama ameenda wapi, sijui kama amekufa, sijui kama ameenda, sijui.